Okay, so these are the parts for the party van that I separated. The chassis was actually metal, and so the front bumper along with the wheel cover here and the rear bumper here. The thing that was very difficult was the chassis was actually one piece and I had it separated into 4 so I could keep the side skirts. And as you can see, I made a lot of mistake and the cutting tool walked a lot on me, and so I've cut a bunch of places that I did not want. So I just put a Sharpie to it just so it won't have the metallic color there. The chassis and this base plate that I've basically rigged up will go in there like so. This is actually the windows. I will have to super glue this guy in. And so I'm actually planning to just leave the top just like that so I could, it'll be removable. Right now that I finally got everything in place, the only issue is the length of the wheels. They're a little bit too closer than the other normal Hot Wheels. There's some steering clearance issues around here, so I had to take off materials down here. Now this is how I wired everything up with the receiver and ESC. Alright, we can do a test try. So the only thing I didn't really like about it is my channel 3 is had been swapped over to this button here, and that's for the lights, and it's only it's not an on and off, it's actually one of those things where you actually have to hold on to it in order for the lights to be on.